How to use Bluetooth on computer? Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from how to do it. Today we're gonna let you know that how you can use Bluetooth on your laptop or computer. Many times we want to send files using Bluetooth from mobile to laptop, yeah, other laptop through this laptop. We want to connect music items. We want to connect wireless Bluetooth keyboard, mouse. We want to connect monitors, even though we want to use internet using the Bluetooth, but we want to use them on our laptop or computer. Many times it happens that we check that there is no pre-installed driver of Bluetooth. You can try to download that driver. Video is provided below, you can check it out over there. But even though you not found the Bluetooth in your device, how you can find, I'm gonna let you know in the next part of the video. But now you can install a thing and buy. I'm gonna link provide you below. That is this one. This one is a USB Bluetooth. If you want to buy, you can buy from link provided below. You can check it out. And if you want to buy a Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi adapter that is work for both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can buy these devices. These are different devices that has two both functionalities. Now how we can find Bluetooth? Just go to this arrow and go to this Bluetooth, and here is the Bluetooth settings. You can use these settings for manage. Now if you don't find that option over there, you can go to just start menu, type Bluetooth. You will find settings over here, click on that, and these are the settings. You can now add a device from this add a device option, add a Bluetooth keyboard, monitor, anything like this. You can connect it from over here. And if you need connect Xbox wireless displays and monitors, you can connect from there. My headphones and earphones are connected over here. You can check it out. My mobile phones are connected over here. We can even click over here and use the internet over here if you want to use internet. And we can send and receive files from over here. Just click send file or receive file. If you want to receive from other, just press over there and wait for other device, and from over here you have to send. So these were the options, these were the settings, these were the functionalities we can use for using Bluetooth in your laptop or computer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.